As the initial excitement around large language models is waning out and people are waking up to the reality, there are a lot of concerns which are being raised. One of the concern is lack of transparency in artificial intelligence models where you don't know what exactly is inside. So our understanding of how they are exactly working, what data sets they are using is very little or next to nothing, which is a risk in itself. This research paper, which is called as representation engineering or RepE, is a technical approach to enhance the transparency of AI models. RepE focuses on understanding and controlling high-level representations within AI models, which is sort of a departure from traditional bottom-up approaches that examine individual neurons and connectors. Now, if you look at this solution, this is pretty interesting. If you, for example, read this overview with different hallucinations, honesty, power, and morality, then you would know that how easy it is to fool a large language model. That is why in this solution they have proposed that the analysis and manipulation of population level representation is a key. So it offers a top-down perspective, shifting from neuron level scrutiny to understanding cognitive phenomena at a higher level. Take this example. In this, what you are seeing is that RepE is exploring AI transparency by studying and abstracting the structure and characteristics of representations. It develops improved baselines for reading and controlling representations, and this technique addresses safety relevant issues including honesty, hallucinations, utility estimation, knowledge editing, jailbreaking, memorization, tracking emotional states, and a lot of other things. The good thing is that RepE has already achieved significant improvements and gains in honesty, outperforming previous methods on truthful QA by 18.1 percentage points. Now, if you look at this example, you would see that it also allows the detection and control of model lies, and RepE promotes transparency, enhancing AI safety and trustworthiness while minimizing the risks. I would say pretty interesting. So hats off to all of these researchers, and I will put the link to this paper in video's description so that you can go along and read it through from aitransparency.org. If you have any comments, please put it in down the video, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.